In today's video, I will show you how to save a project in CapCut on PC. Many people don't know how to save a project in CapCut because they can't find the Save Project option anywhere. As you can see, when I click on the menu and explore all the available options, I can't find the Save Project option. This is because that option doesn't exist. All you need to do when you want to save a CapCut project is to exit the program, and the project will be automatically saved. For example, if this is your project and you want to continue working on it tomorrow, just close the program and your project will be automatically saved here. You can also start a completely new project, which will also be saved here. When you want to continue working, just click on the project you want to work on. You can watch all tutorials about CapCut on this playlist that you see on the screen right now. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.